Hi guys, it's me again, Gideon, your favorite virtual assistant, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video, I'm super excited to introduce to you a cryptocurrency trading platform, which is the PrimeXBT. PrimeXBT is a leading cryptocurrency trading platform and a forex trading platform as well, which I've been using over time, and I'm super overwhelmed by what they have to offer to its users. And in this video today, I'll be showing you a simple way on how to participate in the 140 USDT bonus just for signing up. Yes, you heard me right, just for signing up. So without wasting much of your time guys, we'll be heading straight to my screen so that I can show you exactly what you need to do in order to take part in the PrimeXBT 140 USDT bonus. So as you can see on my screen, this is the homepage for PrimeXBT. Don't forget guys, I'll be leaving a link to this exchange in the description of this video. So for you to be eligible for the 140 USDT bonus, click on the link, sign up and verify your account. You can verify your account using any means of valid identification in your country, be it an international passport, a national ID, a driver's license, or any valid identification in your country. So let's move forward guys. Don't forget, use the link in the description to sign up and verify your account. So let's move on guys. So once you have successfully signed up and verified your account, as you can see, this is the homepage for PrimeXBT and this is looking actually cool. We have the reward centers. As you can see, PrimeXBT has a lot to offer its users, from the reward centers down to the copy trading, and also you can invite an in. Yes, from every friend you invite into PrimeXBT, you get paid for it. Yes, I said so. You get paid for it. So we have the help centers, which actually functions 247. I have used this over time and I can proudly say yes, PrimeXBT is 100 from me. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's go straight on how to get your 140 USDT from PrimeXBT. So guys, the first thing you need to do, remember to verify your account after sign up. Once you verify your account after sign up, you head straight to the reward center just like so. So we'll be opening up the reward center to see what we have, and I'll be showing you the exact thing I did in order to get me 140 USDT. So pay attention and watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistake while trying to claim your 140 USDT from PrimeXBT. Don't forget, sign up with the link in the description below and verify your account. So guys, once you're on your reward center just like so, as you can see, I have a reward of about 10 USDT waiting for me. I have another one here of about 20 USDT still waiting for me to be claimed. I've actually gotten this bonus, but I want to claim it together with you on this video so that you can see that what we are actually saying about PrimeXBT is actually true. Okay, so when you move forward, you can see this is actually broken down into 4 stages. We have the first stage, which is the getting started stage. The second stage is continue your journey, and the third stage here we have is to progress as a trader, and the fourth and final stage is to become a pro. As you can see, all these stages are closed for now. So we'll be heading straight to the get started section just like so. As you can see guys, I already have about 30 USDT. So I'll be telling you quickly what I did to actually get me this 30 USDT to be claimed now. So the first thing you need to do after you have verified your account, for you to be eligible for all these bonuses up to 140 USDT between stage 1 and stage 2. So once you have engaged in stage 1 and stage 2 of this reward center, this actually gives you a whooping sum of 140 USDT straight to your wallet. So the first thing you need to do, remember, after verifying your account, remember to make a valid deposit of 30 USDT. As simple as that. So this is the catch guys. I'll be leaving a link to my Telegram community in the description of this video. Feel free to join my Telegram community where we host giveaways and assist users with various type of challenges. So for the first 5 people that will be joining my Telegram community, there will be a giveaway for you after signing up and making a deposit of 30 USDT. I, Gideon, will be giving you an extra USDT just to say welcome to PrimeXBT. So that is not it guys. So once you have made a valid deposit of 30 USDT, the next thing you need to do is to come to your reward center, and immediately a 10 USDT will be waiting for you. So I'll be claiming it with you now on this video because I have made a valid deposit of 30 USDT, and then I unlocked my 10 USDT. So how do you claim? It's quite easy. What you need to do, as you can see, we have a claim button there. You come there and you just click on claim, just like so. As you click on claim, as you can see, it says congratulations, 10 USDT in reward has been credited to your account. As simple as that, guys. As simple as that. So once we scroll down a bit, just like so, as you can see, my reward balance is 10 USDT and I can easily redeem my reward at any time. So let's move on to claim our 20 USDT. To claim 20 USDT is quite simple as well. What do you need to do? After you have funded your account, the next thing you need to do is to initiate a trade. Just a trade. Once you initiate a trade, this automatically unlocks or gives you 20 USDT, which you can easily claim just like we did earlier. So don't freak out at this point. So even if you are a beginner or you don't even know how to trade, don't be scared, because I'll be leaving a link to a trading hub in the description of this video where we help beginners, teach them how to trade, and also send trade signals for them in order to copy and just replicate the trade we will be giving to you. As easy as that. So guys, it's quite simple. You don't have to do any work. We do the analytics, we place the trade, and we just give you to copy. You copy the trade and you place it, and immediately you carry out your first trade, you get credited 20 USDT. As you can see, I've carried out several trades, but I'm yet to claim my 20 USDT because I want to do that with you on this video. So we'll be claiming my 20 USDT as easy as clicking on the claim button, just like so. So once we click on the claim button, as you can see, congratulations, 20 USDT has been rewarded. As easy as that. So as you can see, we have successfully claimed our 20 USDT. It's quite simple. When we get to our reward balance, as you can see, we have about 30 USDT all in reward waiting for us to be redeemed. So the next thing we need to do, as you can see, we are done with stage 1 or the step 1. It's quite simple. So we can close up this, and also we have the step 2 that says continue your journey. This is quite a simple stage. What you need to do is just to follow social media handle for PrimeXBT, and you get rewarded for following social media handles. So it's quite simple, guys. As you can see, it says join PrimeXBT communities. It's quite simple. You click on join, just like so. Once you click on join, this interface automatically comes up. So once this interface comes up, as you can see, you need to join PrimeXBT Discord and their Telegram channel. Once you do that, you get rewarded 5 USDT just for joining 2 communities. So let's join Discord like so. So guys, I have successfully joined Discord and the Telegram community, and I have been rewarded with $5 in my reward account. As you can see, I have a total of about $35 in my reward account. So the next thing we need to do now is to join PrimeXBT socials. You click on join just like so. It's quite easy, as we already know. You click on join. So you have to follow PrimeXBT on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. So guys, as you can see, I've successfully joined PrimeXBT socials from the Twitter down to Instagram and TikTok. And I have about $5 waiting for me to be claimed. So claiming is quite easy, guys. Like as we've been doing before, once you have carried out the task just like so, the next thing you need to do is to click on the claim button just like so. And as you can see, $5 has been rewarded to us. So as you can see, in our rewards account, we have about $40 to be redeemed. So guys, here is the final stage where you get about $100 all in reward. As you can see, it says trade up to $10,000. I have traded up to about $1,696.2 out of $10,000. So once I complete a trade volume of about $10,000, I automatically get rewarded $100 all to my reward account, which I can redeem anytime I want. So it's quite simple, guys. Once you have funded your account and claim all of these bonuses, what you need to do is to stay active in this exchange. So if you're a beginner and you are wondering on how you could sum up your trades to get up to this in order to claim your $10, do not freak out, because I'll be leaving a link to our trading hub in the description of this video. What you need to do is to join the trading hub, and we send out signals. All you need to do is to copy this signal and execute those trades, and that is it. And within a short time, you'll be eligible to claim the $100
bonus. And that is all, guys, on this video on how to claim your $140 bonus on the PrimeXBT exchange. If you have any questions so far, feel free to leave it in the comment section and I'll be actively available to respond to you. Or you can feel free to join our Telegram channel with link in the description of this video, where we discuss and help you with any challenges you will be having. I'll be stopping here for now, and if you like this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, ensure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you get notified each time I create an amazing and informative video just like this one. I still remain your virtual assistant Gideon, and see you in my next video.